the young Dagestani warrior who defied the powerful Russian Empire for 3 decades. Imam Shamil, 19 years old when Russia invaded Dagestan, witnessed his homeland's brutal transformation. With the Qajar dynasty of Iran turning a blind eye, 1.5 million people fell victim to the invasion. Amidst this chaos, Imam Shamil's courage shone. Facing a dire situation, Imam Shamil, alongside Imam Ghazi, united 15 tribes under Islam's banner, transforming a society riddled with alcohol into a formidable force. Their emirate of Caucasus stood as a beacon of hope against Russian aggression. But in 1832, tragedy struck. A massive Russian force launched a surprise attack, leaving Imam Shamil as one of the few survivors. In an astonishing feat, he escaped death, outwitting the Russian army and becoming a legend. As a leader, Imam Shamil's 27-year reign was marked by respect, even from his Russian foes. His strategic brilliance was evident when he captured Russian princesses, securing his son's freedom. However, the relentless Russian military strength eventually led to his surrender in 1859, though he ensured his people's safety through a peace treaty. Imam Shamil's journey didn't end there. Under house arrest, he was later allowed to perform Hajj in 1869. He passed through Istanbul, where the Khalifa wanted to host him. He stayed in his house for a couple of weeks. In Mecca, he met with the great Algerian Abdul Qadir al-Jaziri. His final days in Medina marked the end of a remarkable saga, leaving behind a legacy of unwavering faith and resilience against one of history's greatest empires.